Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the watch ready and launching the Multisport routine. Update to the latest watch OS, keep your iPhone nearby, and turn on GPS and Bluetooth so location and sensors sync. Once charged above 50% and worn snug, open the workout app. If you don't see Multisport, tap Add Workout, find Multisport, and add it. This prepares sensor handoff. Now you're set to begin the first discipline without stopping to fiddle with settings. Start your session and focus on the first discipline. Tap Start, check that GPS and heart rate are active, then begin. When you approach a transition, use the on-screen transition button or the configured wrist gesture to mark the change. This hands off data and keeps times accurate. Make sure you briefly glance at pace, elapsed time and distance after each switch. Once done, Multisport will continue to log separate segments, so you can review end your final segment by stopping and saving the workout, then let the watch sync to your iPhone so the fitness app can show detailed splits. Review each segment's pace, cadence, and heart rate zones to understand performance. If you find segments merged or mistimed, try increasing the auto-detect sensitivity in settings or use the manual transition button next time. Alternatively, you can edit splits in the fitness app on iPhone. That troubleshooting tip solves most misalignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.